Hello everyone, I'm back again with another topic for Standard 9 students from the writing section, that is descriptive writing. First of all, let me tell you that CBSE has included descriptive writing for the session 2021 in the writing section for Standard 9. Descriptive writing can be written on a person, place, event, or a thing, but according to the rationalized syllabus, you will be studying only descriptive paragraph on a person. Descriptive paragraph on a place, event, thing has been deleted. So now let us understand what is descriptive writing. What are the things that come to your mind when I talk about descriptive writing? Detailed, description, explanation, isn't it? Yes. So, descriptive writing is a type of writing in which we describe a person, place, or an event in details. So, now let us know what is let us see what is the purpose of descriptive writing. The purpose behind writing descriptive paragraph is to make the reader feel and sense what the writer has written. Now, let us see the characteristics or points to remember while writing descriptive paragraph. Proper introduction of the topic. We should introduce the topic properly. Then the next point is we should write complete details of the person. Use simple and short sentences. Use descriptive adjectives so that the descriptive paragraph appears attractive. Now, the language should be simple, but at the same time attractive and appealing. Use figurative language. What do you mean by figurative language? Usage of simile, metaphor, alliteration, etc. Now, we should remember that there should be a sense of balance in descriptive writing. That means don't overdo the things. Now, lastly, the conclusion. We should end descriptive paragraph in an interesting way. And the word limit is 100 to 120 words. Now, let us see the format of descriptive writing. First of all, we begin writing descriptive paragraph with the title. The title or the heading is written in the center of the page. And the title should be related to the topic we are writing. Descriptive paragraph is divided into 3 to 4 paragraphs. So let us see what do we write in each paragraph. In the first paragraph, we write the introduction. In introduction, we write the name of the person about whom we are writing, the time when we met him or her. Then in the second paragraph, we write physical appearance of that person. That is his features, complexion, description of his eyes, mouth, hair, then the clothes that he wears, whether formal or informal. Then in the third paragraph, we write the personality characteristics. Now, what do you mean by personality characteristics? That means we write about the qualities of his head and heart. That is intellectual, loving, caring, confident. Now, in the fourth paragraph, we write extra information, whatever extra information you have about the person, like, for example, his interests, his hobby, the activities in which he takes part. Then, in the last paragraph, we write the conclusion. In conclusion, we comment or we write the feelings about the person, his achievements, his honors. Then we also write others' opinions about the person. This is how we conclude the descriptive writing. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind, we are not writing a story here. We write only what we see or we observe. So, descriptive writing is not at all a story writing. It is just what we see or observe we write. Now, let us see an example of descriptive writing. Here is an example on my best friend. So, see how we write descriptive paragraph on a person. My best friend Lakshmi. Lakshmi has been my close friend since we met in school. We fought over petty issues in childhood, but still we went together everywhere. Our friendship has become stronger over time. She is very fair with long hair and brown eyes. She is tall and has good dressing sense. She is always well dressed, even at home. Lakshmi is very sociable and helpful. I always go to her whenever I am in problem. She solves my problem within minutes. She is like a part of my family. I trust her as much as I trust my elder sister. She loves to participate in all extracurricular activities held in school and encourages me also. She makes everyone around her laugh by cracking jokes. Everybody likes her company. Her helping and caring nature attracts people towards her. I hope our friendship remains forever. So, this is how we conclude descriptive paragraph by writing our opinions and others' opinions of the person. So, I hope you all have understood how to write descriptive paragraph, the format of writing descriptive paragraph, and also the points to remember. Thank you.